To start, we're going to need some key ingredients for the shrimp marinade. Gather 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, half a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon each of ginger paste, garlic paste, and garam masala. Garam masala is usually found in the spice or international food aisle of your grocery store. Also, grab half a teaspoon each of turmeric powder and red chili powder and salt to taste. Combine all these ingredients in a bowl, mixing well to ensure the shrimp are well coated. Once they're fully immersed in the flavors, cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. While the shrimp marinade works its magic, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Once the shrimp are well marinated, thread them onto skewers and place them on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Bake these in the preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the shrimp are cooked through. As the shrimp bake, it's time to prepare the tikka masala sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. Add a finely chopped onion to the pan, sautéing until it turns a golden brown. Next, add 2 teaspoons each of ginger paste and garlic paste to the onions, sautéing for another minute until the mixture becomes fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon each of ground cumin and ground coriander, along with half a teaspoon each of turmeric powder, paprika, and salt. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the spices release their aromatic essence. Now pour in the pureed tomatoes. Cook this mixture until it thickens and the oil starts to separate from the spices, which should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Once the sauce is ready, add the baked shrimp along with half a teaspoon of garam masala and dried fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi. The fenugreek leaves are usually found in the produce section of a grocery store or supermarket. You can also find them in Indian grocery stores. Stir this all together, allowing it to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. To finish this dish, pour in half a cup of heavy cream and mix well. Simmer for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce is heated through and creamy. And there you have it, the perfect shrimp tikka masala, homemade and ready to serve hot with rice or naan bread. Don't forget to garnish with fresh coriander leaves for that extra touch of flavor. Please comment below if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch my video today. See you next time.